Dear students, let us discuss another kind of problem in which spring is cut. The system shown in the figure is in equilibrium. Find the initial accelerations of A of mass m, B of mass 2m and 3C of mass 3m are in equilibrium. Okay, find the initial accelerations of ABC just after the spring 2. Spring 2 is cut. Okay, here the system is in equilibrium. Therefore, let x1 is elongation in the spring, x2 is elongation in the spring 2, and x3 is elongation in the spring 3. Okay, the system is in equilibrium. Let x1 is elongation in the spring 1, x2 is elongation in the spring 2, and x3 is elongation in the spring 3 as shown in the figure. Now take C first. Before cut the spring 2. Spring 2, FPD of C. FPD of C. This is C of mass 3m. Therefore, 3mg is acting downward. This is gravitational force, and spring force in the spring 3 acts upward and keeps the block C in equilibrium. This is Kx3. So therefore we can write Kx3 is equal to 3mg. Equation number 1. Next, FPD of B. The downward gravitational force is 2mg, and B is pulled by the third spring in the downward direction, so that is Kx3, spring force in the third spring, and second spring pulls B in the upward direction, that is Kx2, and this block also in equilibrium. Therefore Kx2 is equal to 2mg plus Kx3. Okay, and from the first equation Kx3 is 3mg, therefore we can write Kx2 is equal to 2mg plus 3mg, 5mg, equation number 2. Next, FPD of 1. FPD of A. These three FPDs are before cutting the spring number 2. Mass of A is m. Therefore, gravitational force is acting in the downward direction, that is mg. Next, spring force acts on the A in the upward direction, that is in the spring 1, is Kx1. Next, second spring is also connected to the block of mass m, that is A, so it pulls the block here downward with a force Kx2, and since this A is also in equilibrium, we can write mg plus Kx2 is Kx1, and we found that Kx2 is 5mg. Therefore, this is mg plus Kx2 5mg, that is equal to 6mg. This is Kx1. This is equation number 3. Okay, now after cutting the spring 2, After cut the spring 2, spring force in 2 becomes 0. Spring force in 2 becomes 0, and spring forces in 1 and 3rd remains same. They does not change instantaneously. They does not change instantaneously. Spring force in 1 and 3 remains same. Now, draw FBD of A, B, C. Okay. So first FBD of A. After cut the spring, the concept changes like this. Spring force in 2 becomes 0. Spring force in 1 and 2 does not change. Spring force in 1 and 3, 1 and 3 does not change. Okay, now FBD of A. The gravitational force in the downward direction is mg, and upward force is kx1. This force does not change just after cutting the spring number 2, and this kx1 is found to be 6 mg. Therefore, net force acts in the upward direction. Therefore, its acceleration in the upward direction is assumed to be AA. Then, from the Newton's second law, 6 mg minus mg is equal to MAA. Therefore, AA is equal to 6 mg minus mg, 5 mg by m, 5g, upward direction. Next, FBD of B. Its mass is 2m, so 2mg is acting in the downward direction. Next, kx2 is in the upward direction, but that kx2 here is 0, because after cut the spring number 2, after cut this spring, the spring force kx2 becomes 0. Therefore, there is no upward force acting on B after cut the spring 2, and the downward force is kx3. Since the net force acting on B is in the downward direction, its acceleration is assumed to be AB downward. According to Newton's second law, net force on B, 2 mg plus kx3 is equal to MAB. What is mass of B? That is 2m. 2m into AB. AB is equal to 2 mg plus kx3. What is kx3 Nana? 3 mg. So 2 mg plus 3 mg divided by 2m. This is equal to 5g by 2 in the downward direction. 5g by 2 in the downward direction. This is acceleration of B. Acceleration of B from this equation is equal to 2 mg plus kx3. kx3 means 3 mg. So 2mg plus 3mg divided by 2m, that is AB. So 5g by 2 in the downward direction is acceleration of B. Next, acceleration of C. So FPD of C. FPD of C. Okay, look, it experiences two forces, 3mg in the downward direction and kx3 in the upward direction. And this 3mg and kx3 are found to be equal, therefore there is no net force. F net on C is equal to 0. Okay, these two forces are found to be equal, 3mg and kx3. Therefore F net on C is 0. Therefore AC is equal to 0. So these are the answers of accelerations of A and B just after cut the spring number 2. I hope that all of you understand this problem.